The forces shaping Canada's next decade are undeniable. An accelerating demographic shift toward older populations, geopolitical realignment of supply chains, and the pervasive integration of artificial intelligence. Canada stands at a unique crossroads. Traditionally reliant on resource extraction and real estate, the Canadian economy is undergoing significant change. By 2030, the nation will have hybridized its roots with high-tech growth areas. The economic landscape will be defined not just by what Canada digs out of the ground, but by how it refines, digitizes, and utilizes those resources for a changing world. Here is a projection of Canada's 10 biggest industries in 2030, ranked by estimated contribution to GDP, analyzing how global shifts will make them bigger, smaller, or fundamentally different than they are today. 10. Agriculture and agri-tech. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $65 billion. Global populations are rising, and climate change is threatening food security in traditional breadbaskets. Canada, with its immense arable land and relatively stable climate, will become an even more vital global food supplier. By 2030, the sector will be larger, but growth will be driven by agri-tech, autonomous machinery, drone monitoring, and genetic innovation to maximize yields in a volatile climate. It will be bigger, smarter, and more export-oriented. 9. Critical minerals and mining. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $90 billion. Traditional mining will remain steady, but the explosive growth will be in critical minerals, lithium, cobalt, nickel, and copper. As the world diversifies supply chains away from high-risk jurisdictions, Canada is perfectly positioned to be the ethical supplier of choice. This subsector will be significantly larger than its current size due to the global rush for materials used in batteries, computers, and other technologies. 8. Information and digital technologies, ICT and AI. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $120 billion. While not the largest by raw GDP, this sector will have the highest growth rate. Canada has established global leadership hubs in artificial intelligence, Montreal, Toronto, and Edmonton. By 2030, AI will have moved from hype to implementation across all industries. This sector will be vastly bigger and more influential than today, acting as a force multiplier for productivity across the entire national and global economy. 7. Professional, scientific, and technical services. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $180 billion. This sector includes engineers, IT specialists, and consultants. It will grow faster than the general economy because every other sector needs complex problem-solving to navigate the 2030 landscape. Whether it's geological engineers or AI specialists for manufacturing automation, this is the service backbone of the new economy. Its value increases as the Canadian economy becomes more complex and technologically dense. 6. Construction. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $190 billion. The shift. Strong growth driven by necessity. Construction will be the essential engine room for the decade. The national housing crisis demands a rate of residential building not seen in generations. The sector will be significantly larger in 2030 to meet these concurrent high-priority national demands.
Number 5. Finance and insurance. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $200 billion. Canada's banking reputation is built on stability, which will remain the bedrock of the sector. However, the way it operates will have changed. By 2030, the integration of fintech and AI-driven personalized banking will be mature. The sector will grow steadily with the population, managing the massive capital flows required for infrastructure and energy projects. It will be bigger, but its growth will be evolutionary. Number 4. Healthcare and social assistance. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $220 billion. This is the most predictable shift. By 2030, all baby boomers will be over the age of 65. The demand for long-term care, geriatric medicine, and social assistance will be unprecedented. This sector will grow not out of economic opportunity, but out of demographic necessity. It will be significantly larger than today, absorbing a massive amount of public spending and driving a huge portion of national employment. Number 3. The energy sector, fossil fuels, renewables, and clean tech. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $230 billion. In 2030, Canada will still be a major energy producer. However, the energy sector will look different. While traditional oil and gas might remain flat, the surge in clean energy infrastructure and LNG exports will keep the overall energy sector enormous and vital. Number 2. Advanced manufacturing. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $240 billion. This sector is poised for a dramatic resurgence. Currently, manufacturing struggles with competitiveness, but by 2030, it will be supercharged by friendshoring. Canada will be a prime beneficiary of the global effort to shorten supply chains, making this sector much larger and more tech-heavy than today. Number 1. Real estate and rental and leasing. Projected 2030 GDP contribution, $350 billion. Despite affordability crises, real estate will remain the behemoth of the Canadian economy. The reasoning is demographic. Aggressive immigration targets will bring in millions of new residents by 2030, creating sustained demand for housing. While the speculative price growth of the past may cool, the sheer volume of transactions and rentals required to house a larger population ensures this remains the #1 sector. It will be bigger by virtue of volume, even as the market matures. The economic landscape of 2030 reveals a Canada that has successfully navigated a period of profound structural transition. While real estate remains the foundational giant of the GDP, its dominance is now balanced by a more sophisticated and diversified industrial base. The 2030s will not be defined by a departure from Canada's traditional strengths, resources, energy, and land, but by their modernization. From the autonomous wheat fields of the prairies to the high-tech battery plants of Ontario, the country has leveraged its natural wealth to secure a primary seat in the future of the global economy. However, this projected future is not without its tensions. The massive growth in healthcare and construction reflects the urgent, non-negotiable pressures of an aging population and a housing crisis that requires sustained, disciplined investment. Yet, the rise of AI and professional services provides the productivity tools necessary to meet these domestic demands while competing abroad. Canada's success rests on its ability to streamline its regulatory framework, innovate to increase its productivity, all while fostering an ecosystem that moves beyond simple extraction. By 2030, the Canadian economy will be more resilient, technologically dense, and strategically aligned with a world that values security above all else.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you'd like to see more videos like this one, subscribe to this channel, Hum of the Earth Canada, for more relevant videos about Canada and its future. Also, this is a new channel, so subscribing helps a lot. You can also share your feedback and thoughts in the comments section. And if you're interested in cool places around the world, you can check out my other channel, Hum of the Earth. All right, that's gonna do it. Hope you enjoyed. Until next time, have a great one.